Alright, we're going to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. So first of all, your equation needs to be equal to 0, which means in this case we need to add 10x on both sides. And when we do that, since there aren't any like terms here with 10x, it's just going to be added on, so we're going to get a trinomial on the left. And I'm going to put it all in order so that we can have it in standard form and we can easily see our a, b, and c. 2x squared plus 10x plus 8 equals 0. If it was out of order, you have to put it back in order. Alright, so we got our standard form. Then we can name our a, b, and c. Since it's 2x squared, a is 2. Since it's 10x, b is 10. Since that's 8, c is 8. So then you take these numbers and you plug them in. So negative b is going to be negative 10 plus or minus square root, and then you have to do b squared, so it's going to be 10 squared minus 4ac, so 2 and 8, and that's all over 2a, so 2 times 2. Then when it comes to simplifying, we want to start by simplifying the discriminant first, which is this part. So 10 squared is 100, and then minus, let's see, 4 times 2 times 8 would be 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. So we can take that discriminant and put it back under the radical sign. What we have is minus 10 plus or minus square root 36 over 2 times 2 is 4. Then from here we look at what we can simplify. Now square root 36 is just 6, because we can see our discriminant is a perfect square. So that'll just turn into 6. So now we have 10 plus or minus 6 over 4. So at this point, since we have that plus or minus and everything is rational here, we don't have any irrational numbers left, we can just break it up into plus and minus. So 10 plus 6 over 4 and 10 minus 6 over 4. So this one will give you 16 over 4, which is 4. That's your first solution. And then this will give you 4 over 4, which is 1, which is your second solution. If you were to see this equation graphed, it would be a parabola, and you would see the x-intercepts of your parabola at 1 and 4, which is where your solutions are.